$10,000 Bitcoin price will trigger widespread public FOMO. Next on your 4-Minute Crypto News. Before we get started, I would like to announce that this is show number 300. A big thanks to everyone who's been watching the videos and listening to the podcast. The subscriber numbers are really growing like crazy, and I'm sure that's because you're sharing this show with your friends. Back in January, I only had 10,000 downloads for the month of the audio podcast. But in April, the podcast had over 50,000 downloads. Quite a jump. Without your help, this show would not be growing as fast as it is. So again, thanks for sharing the show with your friends. Now, today's show is from a post by Tony Spalatro at News BTC and brought to you by Token Talks, which highlights some of the best emerging projects in crypto and blockchain and features interviews from experts and entrepreneurs in the space. It's a great place to keep up with everything happening with decentralization, ICOs, and the future of digital currency. Find the Token Talks podcast at wing.vc/podcast. Bitcoin in its recent parabolic run has everyone across the crypto markets in shock and awe as Bitcoin smashes through each powerful psychological resistant level with relative ease. It's clear there's a fear of missing out, which is also known as FOMO, as crypto traders and investors who are waiting to buy Bitcoin back lower than $3,150 are coming to the difficult realization that they missed their chance and are stuck buying Bitcoin back at increasingly higher prices. But it's at the important psychological price level of $10,000 when the FOMO was spread into the public who watched the crypto bubble pop and who have since written off Bitcoin as a fad or are dead. An early April rally that sent the price of Bitcoin skyrocketing over $1,000 in nearly an hour was the initial spark that signaled the end of the bear market and that the bottom was in. As more and more cryptocurrency traders and investors who were once sidelined awaiting even lower prices to accumulate at, they're now having to face the hard truth that they missed their chance to buy Bitcoin cheaper and are now forced to buy Bitcoin above $7,000. After the break of 4,200, many had been waiting the expected pullback or retest, but a significant retracement has yet to happen. As the market wakes up and realizes that the bull run could be back, a strong sense of FOMO has spread across the cryptosphere. But what has been seen so far will pale into comparison to a break of $10,000, which some believe is the important psychological price point that'll cause the rest of the world outside of the crypto market to take notice of the leading cryptocurrency by market cap once again. Fundstrat co-founder Tom Lee also believes that $10,000 is the price point at which we will see FOMO from those who gloated about Bitcoin's near 90% crash from the all-time highs and those who pronounced the cryptocurrency dead forever. At the break of $10,000, the public will fear that Bitcoin is going to rise to $20,000 again, leaving behind those who acted too late to invest in the emerging asset. So is $10,000 the magic number will start the next super run-up for Bitcoin? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And remember to subscribe at 4minutecrypto.com/subscribe for a new episode every weekday. Hey, and don't forget to look at our sponsor, the Token Talks podcast at wing.vc/podcast. I'm Gary Leland, and thanks for joining me on 4-Minute Crypto. This is a CryptoCousins.com production.